Hey guys, District, Big Josh, it's cool.
Grim Peaks.
Yeah, hey, yeah. Okay, I'm back from the grave, yeah. Hey, yeah. It's about to be a Friday night. Let me show you all the darkness that's in my mind. October when I'm showing up on my side. Drop another tape, I'm doing anything that I like. No, I don't do this for the limelight. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, it's about to be a Friday night. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, it's about to be a Friday night.
Hello people, this is Recluse. Welcome back to a new video. We are back at District 23 and today we're using the crazy motherfucking Saiga 12 SBS. I have traded my high capper in. Sadly I do miss my TM high capper. It's a really good fucking gun, but I have traded it in and I have now got this beast that I am operating in this video today. Massive shout out to Jay Houston for swapping this gun with me. Now you're going to enjoy this video and watch how it operates. Also guys, if you do enjoy this content, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I have changed it up a little bit, so I hope you guys really do enjoy it. Peace out, leave a like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and everything. If you don't, then fuck off, yeah?
Oh, hit, nice shot. You're alright, pal.
Yeah. A good shot, mate. Good
So sorry. I'm so sorry. You alright? Yeah? Sweet. I was about to go for a slide, but then I tripped, so I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, mate. Well played, man. Good shot. Rebound. Oh, I had to call that there. I got like 70 rebounds in my fucking... Oh, I didn't get hit by one rebound in like what? Go for. Top the bottom. Go on. Two. Watch out. Good man. Hey. Found Ollie camping. Ollie.
That's what I'm recording now.
You busting, man. Yeah. Need listen down anymore. Hi.
We're not touching, you want to do anything?
Hi. Hi, mate. Hello, mate. How you doing? Are you from Manchester? Hi. Shout out airsoft person that is. Busting. Got like 5 million subs on that, yeah. Gang shit. Oh, welcome, Tim. Oh, yeah. Right the fucking neck. Oh, that was bad.
You got it? Yeah. Right. Working.
Yeah, straight through the gap. Upstairs in their spawn. Push. Back right! Back right! Shitload of them went down there. Close, yeah. Yo! Slide in, slide in, slide in.
Brendo, watch your back. There was a guy I didn't want to shoot because he fell over.
Stop it! Right there. Dead! It hurt my asshole. Oh, man, I was right on the asshole. Sorry, Val. Go on, please. Maybe he's rebounding off that window ledge, but is he in the corner left? He's getting rebounds, so I don't know where he is. I think it's Ollie. Oh, he needs a rebound again. Ollie.
Now at this point I did actually get hit by this guy. I apologised to him after the game. I went over the footage while we were in the safe zone just to have a look because I wanted to basically scare our mate Ollie. I was waiting for him the whole time and I was like, please, even if he was going to shoot, I was like, please let me live for a minute just to see Ollie come past that and spray him with a shotgun. He shot me, but because of the way my vision was, I didn't see the bullet. I thought it was a rebound, but it basically hit my knee pad. So I showed him afterwards. I said, you did actually kill me, so but technically anything that I would have shot after this would have been bullshit anyway. I died. But yeah, well played. I just thought I'd let people know that he did in fact hit my kneecap, so technically I was already dead anyway.
Someone told you. Someone told you that. Who comes to you? That man. Who? Yeah, no, when I was up there. When I was up there, I was like sitting waiting for Ollie to run past me, but then you shot and then it rebound, bounced it off, and then just flew near my head. And I was like, oh fuck.
Until I realised he shot me in the knee.
Please wait for a second. Oh, man. I just wanted Ollie to run past, and I was going to pepper him. So close. I feel so nasty when I shoot people out. Friendly, blow. Oh, nice shot. Man, the column one. Oh, I shot you in the vest, just at the bottom. I didn't know if you were a teammate or not then. Sorry, mate.
Goddamn, I'm a lone wolf soldier. Till the coffin, I'm an all-day smoker.
It's shit.
Josh, how do you get this out?
What's that?
Is this how you get it out?
I've never took it off, I'll be honest. I've only just got it, I think it... Oh yeah, it's an AK.
Like an AK. Just don't have it in here, mate.
Yeah, I never knew.
What the fuck?
Oh! There's always one. That was clever. Do you want one of our backs to just replace it? Because you took it out of the gun. Oh yeah, you've got to put the thing in. Yeah, Ollie just used that one as a replacement, it's got 250 in it. That might work.
Oh, using Josh's?
I've never used one of these before.
Yeah, Saiga. Same one, but that's...
Yo!
This is my airsoft man.
Yeah! It's too long for me, I don't like it.
Does the Bifrost have nothing, Josh? Don't fucking shit.
The Bifrost, yes.
Yeah, Josh. A Bunker King suits you better than a die.
What does this?
Yeah, Bunker King's type suits you better.
I don't know, I like the die's very snug on it, actually. I mean, this is actually
Get this for a shot.
And you get a second strap for it. So that strap will sit here. Second one sits at the top to keep it more secure.
Tighten with an Allen key and then that's it.
Is this recording, yeah?
Yeah,
Don't get glass in your eyes.
Purple thing coming out of it.
you'll hold the stock as well. If you've got a button just underneath it.
I think I'll keep it.
Nah,
Nah, because that's when you hit it like that. See how, like, the inner of the stock's wrapped around my shoulder, and it still keeps it, so it's that bit more secure.
Point again. Point again.
So, you when there's places to have like plans or whatever as well. Yeah. I wouldn't even be able to use it.
Fucking hell, it's dark in here. Bobby, watch my back. That window. Don't know how
to the graveyard where all I know is
What are you doing? I don't know how to work this. Ooh, that hurt. I can see you. Where? Whereabouts? Whereabouts? Whereabouts are they? not sure how I feel about your setup.
What's that?
Not sure how I feel about all this and.
Not comfortable for you.
No, it's comfy. Can't see fuck all.
Yeah, it's hard, like, I'm used to it now. You got the yellow tint, don't you?
So it's yellow tint.
I've got a.
Yellow tint helps you see, but that smoke is just for looks.
I've got a gold tint at all, I might just put it on.
Yeah, I think the gold tint would be better.
It's horrible when it gets dark in that look after shit.
I got Ed.
Hey, how many you dropped your gate, guys?
It's on a lanyard.
Almost.
It's on a lanyard.
On a lanyard.
Lanyard. Ed.
Lanyard.
Lanyard.
You got the adapter in it, yeah?
Yeah, it's a man.
So following the previous week of what happened with the incident, they have all on.
Guess, look, you pop it back now.
Come back now!
Why are you touching this for?
My camera's freezing.
Investigation! Have you said anything illegal in the last 24 hours?
I've heard you've been thin.
You can't play that now, he's got copyright music on it.
yeah.
You're an IV for boss person. We can't play that video now, you've got copyright music on it. The fact that he's our friend is fucking real.
What do you want to say to the speaker? This is what we've got.
Yeah, driving shawty, I just bagged a new bitch, yeah. Burning everything, burn it all down. I got 10 shots, 10 Glocks, aiming it at your head. Watch 10 blocks, watching every move that you make. Got the tools in my case, so the rules in your face. All I do is still the same, never lose, never change, yeah.
You know when you go on Warzone, you've just picked up your first loot?
Yeah.
Oh, go! Straight down to your left on that box. I'll go around this way.
Up in my bed, you got way too many friends and they probably want you dead. Yeah, I'm for the fun, I don't need all that shit.
I just caught my finger in my shotgun.
I'm so fucking scared right now, you shut up!
Oh, you hit right my fucking elbow. Blood, lad. GG's. Dead man. Blood.
Bye.
Nice shot. You want to flank round the back? Oh shit. Go for it. Feel nasty with it. Did you get it? Shot him in the dick. I don't even know where you are. Sorry, mate.
People, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like the new style of content, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. And thank you so much to the YouTuber that ignored me just because he's got over 100,000 subscribers and has less followers on Instagram. Couldn't be bothered to reply to my message left me on red when he asked a quick question how to get the elimination Overwatch sounds from when you get a kill. on the kill feed. Simple little question. Some people have got too much of a big fucking ego to reply to the followers and stuff like that, so I guess we're doing things on our own, guys. Fuck content creators. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this next portion of the video, and this is from the footage that I got last time that I didn't upload, and this is just our long break. Please don't be offended.
Right lads, where's your fucking jumpers at? What's it with them? I'm about having my fucking jerseys, yeah?
Do you want to buy a jersey? You buy a jersey?
Yeah. But you didn't send me like... What?
Wait, what? Who gave me? What?
Aye, meals are paid £5.
I got that from District. I was going to say I got that from District. See you later.
Alright, you're recording.
Sorry, I'm his carer. Come on.
I can't believe it.
People like him should be fucking locked up.
Gotcha, bitch. Get to the clip.
Watch me, Peter!
Bro, we're gonna finish this album! Don't let that go now. Just shut that button and hold them. Wait till you go. Wait till the wall passes.
Hey, get your fucking pizza. Where are you going?
Should go over and go.
Whose pizza? That's yours.
Stop littering.
Is that your pizza?
Wait till he's walked past.
Is that your pizza?
Right, get ready to record this. Get ready.
They're waiting for Ollie's. He's fucked off. He's behind the van. Please, you're going to be in a bit.
Hey, time to shine.
I tell you. Watch everybody ordered. You've got a supplement.
Ooh, Tesla. Who just said ooh, Tesla? No! Fuck off!
No!
Hey yo, what
My dad will batter your dad.
Hey, I'm his son. Come on. Right, my son will batter your son. My son will. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on in. I know you. I'm walking.
It's a very controversial day today.
Stop it. Get some help.
Accuracy.
Should have aimed for that.
Pick that up, mate, because you can't be littering on camera, mate. Go on, mate, we've picked it. Aye, there, just for adventure purposes. Guys, wait.
Come
on, your man wants the knickers back.
Why have pushed me for? Lady pushed him in. Your mum got big knickers.
Ollie, let me batter you.
Does she wear boxes with G-string for mum?
Hello. Aye, mate. If you want. I don't know.
Around here it's cold blood. Bear man are getting wigged more. Coming like Call of Duty. I'm staying indoors. Oi, my G, you're not welcome. Won't hurt them, won't help them. Got burners, won't sell them. Did earners, won't tell them.